Listen carefully, because this one shift can change everything. If discipline feels like punishment, it's not because you are failing. It's because you're using the wrong system. You don't need more willpower. You don't need to try harder. What you actually need is better rewards. Your brain doesn't follow rules. Your brain follows dopamine. You've tried before, right? That day when you woke up with fire in your chest saying, "Today I change everything." But by day 3, the fire fades, the routine cracks, and the old habits pull you back. Not because you're weak, but because your brain rejects effort that feels pointless. The human brain is built to save energy, not waste it on unclear goals. So stop fighting your brain and start working with it. The solution is simple. Gamify your habits. Just like in a video game, every tiny action gives you XP. Not perfection, not intensity, just tiny, repeatable moves that compound over time. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. Create your own XP list. Simple, measurable, repeatable. For example, if you do 1 push-up, you get 1 XP. If you read 1 page, you get 1 XP. If you drink water, you get 1 XP. And if you comment right now, you instantly earn 25 XP. It's not about doing more. It's about showing up every single day. Micro actions don't just build progress. They build identity, and identity always beats motivation. Now, here's the fun part. Pick a reward every time you reach 50 XP. Not something huge, just a controlled dopamine hit you enjoy. Your favorite coffee, 10 minutes of music, a quiet walk outside, 1 short YouTube video. You're no longer fighting dopamine. You're controlling it, feeding it on your terms. And once 50 XP feels easy, you don't quit, you level up. 1 push-up becomes 10. 1 page becomes 10 pages. You're not forcing discipline, you're upgrading your character. Growth becomes natural, and momentum becomes unstoppable. This system works because it's simple, repeatable, rewarding, and brain-friendly. Gamers don't grind because they're motivated. They grind because leveling up feels good. Now imagine applying that same psychology to your real life. You're not lazy, you're not weak. You just needed a better game. Start small. Track XP, reward progress, level up your identity, because here at No More Later, we don't wait for change, we create it. Now, level up.